And we'll kickstart this edition from some news just coming in, and this is very shocking information. Along with proof that we have Darshan's picture with cigarette. He's the same actor who is in jail now. However, what's going on right here is clearly an example of nothing less than a party. His picture with a cigarette and beverage in hand. Sources have indicated to India Today that his prison department has taken cognizance of this particular picture that we have accessed. Top official asked to probe this entire matter, with actor Darshan here being accused of murder, seems to be having it easy in the prison in Bengaluru. A beverage in hand and with a cigarette. It's unimaginable that this is the man who is being tried for murder. On your screen, pictures of actor Darshan, who's been tried for murder. However, this is what we see right now. This is a picture that India Today has accessed. It shows actor Darshan, murder accused, getting VVIP treatment. This is in fact at the Parapanna Agrahara Central Prison. Anaga is getting in more details on that big story that she's tracking. Anaga, how is this even being allowed? What are the prison authorities saying?
Well, Sneha, at this point, the prison authorities have rushed their top officials to the spot in order to verify the case. At this point, the prison authorities, they are yet to confirm if these visuals are really true. Did it really happen or not? These are viral images that have come out, and we did try verifying, but at this point, we are still yet to receive 100% confirmation. But these images first surfaced online. It went viral. The images of Darshan holding a cup of tea in one hand, and on his other hand, he is having a cigarette, and right next to him, Sneha, is the most wanted rowdy sheeter, Wilson Naga. He has been named in 22 cases, including 7 murders. He's named Wilson Naga because he belongs to the central part of Mangalore. That's where he is from. He's he's one of the topmost wanted rowdy sheeters in Karnataka. Wilson Naga, that's seen right next to Darshan, and in the extreme left, Sneha, the one wearing white shirt with black checks, that is Darshan's manager, who is also one of the accused in that case. So the entire, it looks like a mini kitty party of rowdy sheeters who can wield influence and power. You can see Darshan giggling away right next to him. Wilson Naga also giggling away, having a happy time. Very, very, very questionable at this point. Indeed, embarrassing for the prison department. The DGP Madhani Krishnamurthy, she has directed the top officials to rush to the spot to take stock of the situation. And if found true, if indeed Darshan has been meted out special treatment, they've promised that action will be taken. But let me also remind you, Sneha, what happened few months back. Pavitra Gowda was also allowed to wear makeup before stepping out to face media. And now this is the second such instance of VVIP treatment being meted out to an influential person. We just also had a word with Renuka Swami's father, Mr. Shivana Gowda. He did sound a bit disappointed. However, he said that he trusts the government, he trusts the police department, and come what may, he will verify the facts. But, at the end of the day, we have our trust in the justice system, is what, the murdered victim, Renuka Swami's father, had to say.
All right, thanking you, Anaga, getting in those details. Anaga also spoke with Renuka Swami, the victim here, who was murdered allegedly by actor Darshan. Listen to what he said.
Okay, but ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ಆಗಿರೋದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ, ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಏನಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೇನ್ ಇದ್ರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ತಿಳಿತ್ರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಕರ್ದೀವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕರ್ದೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ.
Listen in once again to what the father of the victim here has had to say about this picture that you see on your screens that has now since gone viral.
ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ಆಗಿರೋದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಏನಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೇನ್ ಇದ್ರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ತಿಳಿತ್ರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಕರ್ದಿವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕರ್ದಿವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಖಂಡಿಸ್ತೀರಾ? ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತಾ ಇದು ಆಗಿರೋದು?
ಅಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಏನಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗೇನ್ ಇದ್ರ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೂ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ತಿಳಿತ್ರ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದೇನ್ ನಮಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. 5 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಕರ್ದಿವಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಕರ್ದಿವಿ.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ.
All right, so actor Darshan, they're having quite a ball in the prison. Remember, he's under trial, been accused of murder. You heard also from the father of the person. Renuka Swamy is murdered. Anaga continues to be with us. Anaga, all right, we'll go back to Anaga in a moment from now, but these are details that we have with us of actor Darshan. A picture that has now gone viral of him having a ball while in jail.